All Sports V-League Weekly Highlights. Don't forget to catch that. Madami talagang, madaming mga highlights sa kailangan panoorin mga tao. And our face of the game, Eliza Manumbag, 15 years old from Santa Mesa, Manila.
Speaking of highlights, yan ang isa sa mga highlight natin dito pag nanood kayo ng live sa San Juan Arena.
You get a box of pizza. At sabi ni Sev, may laman po yan.
Kahon lang pa na eh. Well, so far, Bautista with 3 attack points, Sabas with 2, Dakis with 3.
Mga leading scorers.
Alam mo, partner, ito FEU. Finally, may lone attack point na in this set. Pero ang Philippine Army, 12 na.
Wow.
Ang nagagawa.
So, isang punto.
Naalala mo, in the first set, 13 ng total score ng Philippine Army pagdating sa atake.
If you look at the score, 16 serving 7. But you know why? Sinabi nga ni Mosey, 1 attack point. So, ano kailangan gawin ng FU?
Well, ang FEU, una-una, yung depensa. Yung first ball, yan, katulad yan, maganda. At least may chance ka eh, pumuntos. Kesa yung wala at all.
Puro free ball.
Panay free ball ang binibigay mo sa kalaban. Ito, tingnan mo, at least free ball ang binigay sa kanila. Another chance. And they do get it.
That's right. It ain't pretty, but you know, at least may effort, no, for offense.
At saka may offense. You start a play.
That's right. And see, good serve. Iratay. Ito, parang free ball na naman para sa Army. Dakis.
Lalo na itong Philippine Army, mukhang binibigay kay Giselle yung mga bola, kaya hindi siya makapag-set.
Pero in fairness, maganda yung mga depensa ni Giselle.
Yes, that's right.
So, Iratay to Dalia Cruz.
That caught the line, and Dalia gets that point.
But you're right. No? Pero that is also para sa akin, learning experience para sa FU. Kasi, if Giselle C gets the ball, sino yung designated second setter?
Parang auxiliary setter. Normally yung utility yan eh.
Bagang. Bautista was there. Iratay. Kay Dakis. Well, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky.
Yan parang pwedeng kainin na ang FEU para extra energy.
Oo. Kasi parang, you're right, no? Parang lacking sila in energy.
Again, yung intimidation. But it was actually so much better first set for FEU kesa tong second set na to. They trying to save that one, but the point goes to the Lady Tamaraws. Tingnan natin kung mag-work yung pinag-usap-usap sila ni Coach Shaq.
And then, alam natin, si Giselle C was the spokesperson during yung huddle na yon.
Once again, pundasyon talaga ng ng volleyball team. Yung setter.
Giselle C again with the first ball. Yan, you know, we're talking about it. Nagkakagulo FU pag nag-first ball si Giselle C.
Right. O yan na, siya na naman uli.
Finally, Torres. Bagang. Alarca. Good dig. Pons.
Di bale, si Pons naman, kahit taas mo lang yan. But, di na nga, Philippine Army was able to dig it up and set up their own play. Then again, you're going to the next level. You will need all the, ano ba itong tawag sa Army, the soldiers na pwede mong gamitin and options. Yun ang maganda pag malalim yung bench mo.
Diba they can actually form 2 teams na
Parang ganyan, no?
Good serve again by Dakis.
Kasugod. Yan ang gustong makita ni Coach Shaq. Diba hindi naman kailangan kalakas ang palo, but at least nakakapag-play.
That's right. And you know, we were talking about it. At least at that play, may depensa ang FU. Cruz, Iratay. Bautista, Redwell. Again, kasugod.
Sayang. But at least yung attempt nandun she will learn from that mistake. Pwedeng mabilis, pwede just in this game, di ba? Pero at least nakita mo na kaya niyang gawin.
That's right. T. To Pons.
And Pons challenging the defenders of the Philippine Army. Saka nakita mo nakakapag-twist pa ng body sa ere. So, sabi ko sa'yo, parang Angela Benting in the making.
Nabasa ni Jack Alarca. One more time for Pons. Iratay. Bautista.
KJ.
Well, kung si C lang ang blocker mo.
Ang ganda naman ng palo na yun ni Nene. Down the line hit from Nene Bautista. And as you've mentioned, ito na nga parang halos ito na yung galing sa bench off the bench
Yes.
ni Coach Rico. Pero ganun pa rin.
A serve for Jack Alarca.
Yung rhythm ng pagbablock, yan ang mga kailangan pang matutunan ng very young FEU squad, lalo na yung mga younger players.
That's right.
Kahit yung movement around the court di ba, yung court recognition, kanina ko pa nakikita si Kasugo at si Giselle nagbubungguan. So, things that you will learn along the way.
Familiarity.
Oo. Kung saan dadaan, ano sa may yung kalye mo. Diba?
But I think ito yung strongest front row ng FU. You have Pons,
Yes.
Palma, and Giselle T. Free ball, Palma. To Pons.
Oh, nice. That was dug up by Rachel. At si Palma, yan, nagiging matapang na siya. Ganyan din naman nagsimula, parang si Palma, parang si Kasugod rin before. Hanggang pag nagkaroon niya ng lakas ng loob at kumpiyansa, ganito na rin ang mangyayari sa kanya.
And to think si Kasugod is taller pa than Palma.
Nene Bautista, it was kind of low set, pero sige pa rin. Sinubukan pa rin.
Can afford pa sila eh.
Oo nga.
Kasugod. Again, serving para sa FU. Good serve. Iratay back to Bautista.
Yan ang, again, dahil veterano, nagkamali ng isa, tignan mo, bawi ka agad.
That's true. Pero it's a perfect time for FU, these FU players talaga to learn from their counterparts.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Oh, Agno. Really from way back.
That's right. And, good
Siya
dig.
uli. Oh, and Palma. That sweet touch.
Pero lucky break para kay Palma yun eh. Because
Yes.
medyo...
Nandun naman yung depensa ng Philippine Army. Nagkagulatan lang.
That's right. Pero set point pa rin para sa Army. But si Pons, good serve. Ace. Si Pons actually scoring for FU, no?
That's right. Sila ni Palma.
Yun yung mga sinasabi mo, gusto tingnan ni Coach Shaq.
Alam naman ni Coach Shaq for sure na malakas ang Philippine Army eh. You just want a good fight. And siguro gusto niya nga makita yung mga ginagawa nila sa practice na magawa nila dito sa actual game.
That's right.
Yun yung frustrating kasi sa coaches, di ba? Na yung sa practice, parang galing, sobra, parang wala ka nang masabi, di ba? Pagdating mo ng game time, nag-iiba.
That's right. Yun yung talagang the preparation eh. Aldakis ends this set, but a good showing towards the latter part nitong second set ng FEU.
Well, partner, 25-17 nga, umakyat yung score nila as we see our shaky and play of that set. Dakis on the attack.
That's right, and Army takes a 2-0 lead itong sa match na ito, 25-15, 25-17.